Hi guys, welcome back to 7th episode of Stucred Premier League.
We'll talk anything and everything about IPL here. Today we are going to talk about Punjab Kings. What do you think about Punjab's batting and how much would you rate it?
So for Punjab, I'll give 8.5 because they don't have proper finisher in the team.
I agree. I think their batting is very good. They have a pretty solid lineup. I'll give 8.5. What do you think about their bowling?
For their bowling, I'll give again 8.5. They have proper bowling lineup.
I'll have to agree again. They have a pretty good bowling lineup. I would give 8.5. Yeah. Who will be the top 3 performers for Punjab?
So for me, it's Shreyas Iyer, Prep Simran, and then Chegan.
For me, it's Nehal Odera, Shashant Singh, and Yuzvendra Chahal. Where do you think they'll be on the table?
So I think they will be a first or second.
Yeah, I agree. I think they'll qualify for the playoffs. They'll finish third. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. How much would you rate Punjab out of 10? Comment down below. Bye.
इस बार स्क्रीन में देखना छोड़ दो, स्टेडियम में जाके देखो. हमारा कॉन्टेस्ट ज्वाइन करके फ्री आईपीएल टिकट्स ले लो. बाय.
Bye.